How to redeem Best Buy gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem Best Buy gift card online. First of all, open up any web browser, then log into your Best Buy account. Once you're here, you want to explore the website and find the items that you want to purchase. Simply click on the item and then select the specifications. Once you have selected the details, simply click on the option of Add to Cart. Once it has been added to your cart, to check out, you want to click on this basket icon. That is going to open up your cart. Now, on your cart, you simply want to click on the Checkout option. Once you do, here you have different options such as the order summary. Now, on the payment section, you can add your credit or debit card number. You can also select any other payment options. Here, you will find the option of use a Best Buy gift card, store credit or discount code. You simply want to click on that link. Then you will have to enter your card number or discount code. Then enter your PIN if required. Now click on the Apply option. Once your Best Buy gift card has been applied, you can simply complete rest of the checkout methods. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.